So it's kind of sad, but not sad, but also mostly not sad, but also kind of sad.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we...
Good morning, y'all. Let's start of week 6 already. We're old hat at this by now. The end. A little burning, but not too bad. To the sharps container. Have a good week.
Last year I thought about...
I know, it's not Christmas, but the song still felt appropriate for the season. Anyway, Thanksgiving was an awesome day. I had made sure to plan ahead so I knew exactly what I was eating so that on that day I didn't need to stress about it. I just had a great time with friends and family. We would put out a veggie tray in the morning so that we had something healthy to snack on during the day. And of course, our husband showed up right as we were putting it out. It's like they've got a sixth sense for something.
And no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy.
So we go in for a walk because, go on Bailey, because turkey, the itis is real. And it is windy out here. Boy, I don't even know if you're going to be able to hear me. We have a little friend. Bailey. Hi, Bailey. Bailey button. 3 million times. Anyway, just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving.
Sometimes I tend to forget.
Good morning.
Hello.
Uh-oh. You okay there, friend? I was like, is my car on? What's happening? Oh, my neck. So, you shut your mouth. My Netflix and my snacks. Okay, so yesterday, because I'm old, I moved, and apparently that was enough to make my neck break.
Yep.
And I've been stretching it, but it's still real sore. And I'm moving real stiff. So it's kind of sad, but not sad, but also mostly not sad, but also kind of sad.
What?
That my pants are all getting too big for me, y'all. And it makes me sad.
Like, but Mindy, why are you sad?
Because my pants are too big.
Oh my god!
My pants are too big.
No, what is it?
My spoon is too
I
big.
hated that one. I hated it.
So today we're doing other things. We are still going grocery shopping. That will be a thing.
Yes.
But first, we're going to go baby clothes shopping.
Yes.
Because baby clothes are awesome.
Yes.
And I may or may not do a baby clothes haul with you, but I can't do it until after December 19th.
Yes.
Because that's when the gender reveal is.
Haha, we know you don't.
Yeah. Tomorrow is weigh-in number 6. How did you guys do on Thanksgiving? Because I did darn great, if I do say so myself. Oh, there's a good bow right there.
Huh.
new Whataburger and a Chipotle.
Man, they just bringing stuff up all over the place down here.
I love Whataburger. I'm just saying, I'm a California girl born and raised, and Whataburger is better than In-N-Out. Come at me. Please don't come at me. I don't.
She's not
I'm
really-
very sensitive. I've never been a big In-N-Out fan. Their French fries are nasty. And you can come at me with that one because I will defend that to the death.
Yeah, so are their their chocolate
Their
shakes.
milkshakes, it's like drinking a loogie through a straw.
Melody, don't come at me.
I can't even order chocolate shakes anymore because they always put too much chocolate. If I get chocolate in my shake, I order a vanilla shake with a of chocolate.
Hey, what? Yeah.
I keep it PG for the YouTube fam.
Yeah.
Because
We one day may have the kids watching.
yeah,
Didn't need to know that.
my kids, she means her kids because
Yeah.
I ain't got no
Nope.
kids.
We didn't
I
need.
ain't
We
gonna have
don't
no
listen,
kids.
children. We don't need you to know that your mom. I'm not really a heathen though. No.
I mean, heathen doesn't necessarily mean like it just you're a wild animal, and that is true.
That is.
But it is
I'm
also true.
I am a baby panda.
So,
Yeah, just go on. You're already here.
what
You're
did
already
I
on
just
YouTube.
say? What did I just say?
I have no clue.
I don't know what that word was that just came out.
I don't even remember when it started or
It
anything.
sounded like I said Sarah. Oh, it's because I miss her. I miss you, Sarah.
We love you.
Love you. Someday you guys will meet Sarah. No, she's a heathen.
wonderful. Listen, my girl don't even play. You know you is.
And I love her so much.
She's amazing.
So anyway, other than
That's
going
our
baby
favorite.
clothes shopping,
Yes.
we're also going to H Mart.
Oh, it's our favorite place.
Which if you don't have an H Mart, I'm so sorry. It's a Korean grocery store. I have something really fun planned for next week. So it's my favorite Asian food is
It's
Korean
amazing.
food. It's so good.
No offense to the other.
No, I mean the rest of them are delicious too. Well, okay, here's the thing. I might like sushi more than I like Korean food.
Oh.
I think they're like here. And I think depending on my mood, one might.
You know my thing. So I would eat sushi.
Did
over
anybody watch
everything.
this show? This one. Where she would go like this and everything would freeze because she was like half alien or something? Charlotte's Saddlery. You need a saddle?
Sure don't.
Well, good, because they're closed. Okay, we're going to go in this store. We may or may not film. You know the drill. Goodbye.
Bye.
Here's the thing, guys. I should not be allowed in baby clothing stores. It's
I mean, yeah, you should.
Look, I've been saving so much money cooking at home.
Get it.
Hydrate.
Yep.
Purifies the soul. Now we go to H Mart. You know what the H stands for? Happiness.
You want to hear something really funny that's totally expected of me? My list isn't finished.
Your grocery list?
Give me mine.
You're a hot mess.
Sure enough.
We're like a mess where heat has been applied to. Okay, we're gonna do it, guys.
No,
Yep, we're gonna do it.
you're gonna have to push me.
There's the food market. And there's a Korean hot dog. Yum. Okay, so this is one of the major reasons we came today.
What's it called again?
Gochujang. Red pepper, nice tasty. Shout out to June. This is a big cauliflower. Like that's my hand, guys. Like that's mine and Nikki's hand. And there's still like a whole other cauliflower in there. This is Chinese cauliflower. That's awesome.
Okay, we finished. Oh, my hair is.
Hi, hair.
So now we're gonna take Nikki to her car.
Have we told them what it's gonna be?
Who? When
Your YouTube friends.
my friends, what's gonna be?
What the theme of the baby shower is going to
Oh, probably not. You can tell them.
be. Okay, first I want you to guess. I can't hear you guessing. More than likely, you're either right or wrong. It's 50-50. But I shall tell you now. It is Harry Potter.
Yeah. I went the wrong way, Nikki.
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Why are you trying to tell me I went the wrong way?
Listen, because I'm weird like that.
Why you gotta break stuff, Nikki?
Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
You guys, I love these turkeys so much. Look at their little butts. Okay. I lost Nikki. I'm real tired, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
All right, grocery haul time. So I picked up some more yellow onions because I'm probably going to need some more. Got some of these baby cucumbers because they are really good with Korean food, just to have some fresh and green. Got some grapes, some roast for my gyudon, some green onions, pickled ginger to go also with my gyudon. These little paper cups are for some egg toast that we're going to do in the air fryer. I bought some more of that delightful bread, some more center cut bacon. I've got a zucchini, a white potato, a king oyster mushroom. These things are awesome if you've never tried them. Got 18 pack of eggs. We're going to be eating a lot of eggs this week. I have some sundubu, which is sun tofu. This is a Korean extra soft tofu. It's for the soup I'm going to be eating for lunch this week. Got some pineapple juice for the spicy pork bulgogi. Also some gochugaru and some gochujang for several recipes that we'll be having this week. So that's everything. I'll be putting my total for the H Mart haul and the HEB haul on the screen somewhere. Alrighty. All right, guys, here's a look at next week's menu. So we're doing egg bread with fruit and egg rice bowls for breakfasts. For lunch all week this week, I'm going to be doing gochujang stew, but I'm going to be doing like different variations. I'll be adding different things to it every day. And then for dinners, we're going to be doing spicy pork bulgogi or gyudon. And then on the weekends, we eat out one day, and then we have leftovers the rest of the time. So if you're interested in seeing these recipes, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified when my cooking video goes up live on Wednesday. All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. So that about wraps up week 7 on Wegovy. It was a great week. I didn't experience any new side effects. Still noticing a little bit of that constipation, but nothing that's too major. I've got my trusty notebook here to remind me of things. But yeah, no, side effects wise, this is probably getting old, but I still haven't felt anything. I did get some comments from people on some of my older videos about their experiences on Wegovy. It's, it's going to vary from person to person. I do know that about 40% of people that do Wegovy experience gastrointestinal side effects. So I've been lucky in that I haven't had any of the nausea or anything like that. So, it's really going to vary person to person. Some non-scale victories this week. The flower jeans that I wore in my beauty shots before I started the diet are now, I put them on this weekend to try and wear them, and they're getting way too big. Like, I can still get away with wearing them, but like we're talking, I can fit 2 fists in the waistband. That's how big they're getting. So it's both exciting and sad. Those are my favorite pair of jeans. So, and they were not cheap. So I'm kind of sad that they're not fitting anymore, but it is very exciting to see my clothes not, getting looser. Other victories this last week was Thanksgiving, and I stayed on track. I planned all week for the Thanksgiving meal, and I didn't deviate. I will say that an exciting thing for me is that I actually felt full this week, which is not something that I've experienced in a very, very long time in the way that it happened this week. Like, there were moments previous to this week where I was like, oh, okay, I'm satisfied kind of thing. But on Thanksgiving Day, I actually took on my first plate fewer things than I had allotted for in terms of calories. But I, about halfway through my plate, actually felt full. Like, I was like, you know what, I need to stop, which is not something that I've experienced a lot of. And not only did I feel that way, but when I did feel that way, I was able to say, you know what, I'm going to stop now and I can just finish this later. Now, I never got hungry enough to eat it again later, so I just ate it the next day. But not only that, but I had told Nikki that I wanted to take a walk after Thanksgiving dinner. And even though I was exhausted from cooking all morning, we were very full and we just wanted to sit in a turkey coma on the couch. We actually went and did a walk, and it was the longest walk that I've done since I've started this. A lot of it was uphill or kind of a little bit hilly, not a lot, but a little bit. I will say I wanted to walk longer, but about halfway through the walk, my hips started getting real testy. So we turned around and walked back, but it was still, like I said, a significant walk for me, especially. So I guess we'll get to the part y'all really want to know about, which is my results. I actually ended the week on Thanksgiving week with 822 excess calories. And the only reason I had that few was because last night I still had over 1,100 excess calories, and I ended up eating a pint of my Halo Top ice cream. I will say that it was not satisfying at all. Like, I did not enjoy it. So I probably won't buy any more Halo Top. I got it on a really good deal on my Ibotta app, which is why I bought them, but I don't think I'll do that again. It was way too sweet, and yeah, I didn't enjoy it. Nowhere near as much as I would have enjoyed a drumstick. So anyway, so I ended up with 822 excess calories, and on Thanksgiving week, I lost a total of 2.2 pounds, which is so exciting. As you know, I've shared with you before, my goal is long-term to lose 2 pounds a week. The fact that I exceeded that on the week of Thanksgiving, a week when I normally in the past have put on anywhere from 10 to 15 pounds in a single week, is super exciting. So I know I use the exciting word all the time. It is what it is, get over it. So that brings my total for the last 6 weeks to 23.4 pounds. And that is amazing. I'm so excited with how things are going. I'm also really close to going under that 340 mark, which I haven't seen in a very long time. And I think that's it. I'm really, thanks so much for being here, for watching. If you haven't already and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss any of my content. And stay tuned for next week. It's going to be a really exciting one. We're doing something a little bit different with the food, and I'm really excited about it. So bye y'all. See you in the next one.